Why don't people in Jamaica play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you're always at the beach or climbing Dunn's River Falls. Ah, Dunn's River Falls, a heavenly cascade that is more than just a pretty face. This wonder of nature is a staircase of terrace steps, a series of lagoons, and a slice of history, all rolled into one. It's a place where adventure is always on the menu. So grab your sense of humor and your spirit of adventure as we embark on a journey through the tales and trails of this Caribbean gem. Now that we've shared a good laugh, let's dive into the fascinating history of Dunn's River Falls. Imagine a time when pirates roamed the Caribbean and battles raged on sandy shores. That's the early history of Dunn's River Falls. Picture it. The year is 1657. The location? The majestic Dunn's River Falls in Jamaica. The falls, even then, were a sight to behold. A roaring 180-foot waterfall, cascading into the turquoise Caribbean Sea. The lush greenery surrounding it provided not just shade and coolness, but also a strategic cover. This wasn't just a natural wonder, it was a battleground. The Battle of Las Carreras unfolded right here. Spanish defenders against British invaders, a clash of empires amidst the thunderous backdrop of the falls. It was a fierce fight, a battle that would tip the scales in favor of the British. This victory meant that Jamaica would become a British colony, changing the course of the island's history forever. But what made Dunn's River Falls such a key location? Well, it was all about the geography. The falls offered a natural fortification with its terrace steps and small lagoons that could be used as defense positions. The continuous flow of water, rich in calcium carbonate, created sediment deposits that constantly rebuilt the falls, making it a unique Travertine waterfall. This meant that even as battles raged and the landscape was altered, the falls would regenerate, standing tall and majestic as ever. The falls were more than just a strategic stronghold. They were a source of life, providing fresh water to the troops. And in the quiet moments, when the fighting subsided, one can imagine the soldiers marveling at the beauty of the falls, the cool water a soothing balm for their battle-weary souls. The early days of Dunn's River Falls were marked by conflict and change, but amidst the turmoil, the falls stood unyielding, a testament to the power and resilience of nature. So, the Dunn's River Falls we know and love today was once a battleground. But how did it become the tourist attraction it is now? From the echoes of cannon fire to the laughter of tourists, Dunn's River Falls has undergone quite the transformation. Imagine it's the year 1657. The air is thick with smoke as the Battle of Las Carreras rages on, with the Spanish and the British fighting for control of this lush tropical land. Fast forward a few centuries and the scene is quite different. The sounds of battle have been replaced with the joyous laughter of tourists, the thunderous roar of the waterfall, and the occasional shriek of excitement from someone ziplining overhead. But how did we get here? How did this battlefield transform into one of the most visited tourist attractions in the Caribbean? Well, it wasn't an overnight change. With time, the historical significance of Dunn's River Falls began to attract curious visitors. The beauty of the cascading waterfall, the thrill of climbing the natural steps, the refreshing lagoons, all of it was too enticing to ignore. As the number of visitors grew, so too did the development of infrastructure around the falls. The once rugged terrain gradually saw the introduction of pathways and viewing platforms, making the falls more accessible to all. But it wasn't just about accessibility. The authorities recognized the potential for adventure tourism, and thus, the introduction of exciting activities like ziplining began. Guided tours were also introduced, offering visitors not just a chance to explore the falls, but also to learn about its historical significance. So as you climb those terrace steps or zipline through the lush greenery, you're not just partaking in an adventure, but also walking through a page of history. The transformation of Dunn's River Falls is a testament to the power of nature's allure. What was once a battlefield, echoing with the sounds of war, is now a place of joy, excitement, and adventure. It's a place where history and nature coexist, where every splash of the waterfall tells a story, and every shriek of joy adds a new chapter. And that, my friends, is how a battlefield turned into one of the Caribbean's leading adventure tourist attractions. Ever wonder why Dunn's River Falls looks different every time you visit? Let's unravel this mystery. Imagine a waterfall that's in a constant state of transformation. A waterfall that's continuously evolving, rebuilding itself with each passing moment. That's the magic of Dunn's River Falls. This isn't your usual waterfall that's frozen in time. No. Dunn's River Falls is a living, breathing entity, a masterpiece of nature that's forever changing. And the secret behind this ever-evolving spectacle? It's all in the water. You see, Dunn's River Falls is fed by spring water. But this isn't just any spring water. This water is rich in calcium carbonate, a substance that plays a crucial role in the waterfall's continuous transformation. As the spring water cascades down the terrace steps of the falls, it carries with it sediment laden with calcium carbonate. These sediments are deposited on the waterfall's surface, layer upon layer, slowly rebuilding the falls, creating new terraces, and reshaping the existing ones. So what you're witnessing when you see Dunn's River Falls is not just a waterfall, but a live geological phenomenon, a dynamic process of creation and recreation that's been going on for centuries. The waterfall's unique ability to rebuild itself also means that it's not eroding away like most waterfalls. Instead, it's growing, expanding, and changing, ensuring that it will continue to wow visitors for generations to come. And it's this unique geological characteristic that makes Dunn's River Falls a Travertine waterfall, a rare type of waterfall that's continuously being built up by deposits of calcium carbonate. So every time you visit, you're essentially seeing a new version of Dunn's River Falls. It's like meeting an old friend who's got a new story to tell each time, a friend who's always changing, always growing, always surprising you with something new. So, every time you visit, you're essentially seeing a new version of Dunn's River Falls. Isn't that amazing? So, we've journeyed through time and unraveled the secrets of Dunn's River Falls. Let's take a moment to reflect. We've explored the early days of this magnificent waterfall, perched majestically at a towering 180 feet, cascading into the soothing embrace of the Caribbean Sea. We've traced its transformation from the site of the historic Battle of Las Correras in the 1650s to a leading adventure tourist attraction in the Caribbean. We've marveled at its unique geological characteristics, a testament to the relentless power of nature. Fed by spring water rich in calcium carbonate, Dunn's River Falls is a living, breathing entity, continually reshaping itself through sediment deposits. The result is a series of terrace steps and small lagoons that offer a rewarding and exhilarating climbing experience. Surrounding this natural wonder is a lush greenery that provides an oasis of shade and coolness, further enhancing the allure of the falls. And let's not forget the thrilling zipline attraction that has received accolades far and wide. The Kids' Splash Pad, a delightful addition, ensures that the falls cater to all ages. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, Dunn's River Falls is a destination that promises an unforgettable experience. So, when are you planning your visit? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos and fun facts.